Hi friends, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India, very happy to be with you. I am sharing with you my travel experience of Amsterdam, Paris, Switzerland in this video series. Watch this video to the end for a comprehensive review and key insight on the Mercure Amsterdam City Hotel. With my all package, it's tough to travel by multiple train and buses. I arrived here by booking a private taxi transfer for Euro 60. But you can keep your travel cost to around 6 euro, approximately 530 rupees by using public transport like metro. Mercure Amsterdam Hotel is a 4-star hotel. The journey from the airport to hotel took about 15 to 20 minutes. It is about 14 kilometers from the airport and 7 to 8 kilometers from Amsterdam Central Railway Station. The lobby is modern, spacious and stylish with cozy elements. I booked this hotel for 3 days. The cost of this hotel is 130 euro per night, which is approximately 11,500 rupees plus city taxes of over 30 euros per night. The receptionist handed me my room keys. The check-in was smooth with incredible friendly staff. Now I am entering into the lift. The lift has large steel doors. It operates smoothly by tapping a key card for secure access to all guest floors. My room is located on the 11th floor of the hotel. The passage leading to the room is well lit with soft carpets and contemporary decor that create a serene and inviting ambience. My room number is 1118. My bed is large and has plush bedding designed for a comfortable night's sleep. This room includes an LCD TV, a work desk and a tea coffee maker. Bathroom is a modern with walk-in showers and complimentary toiletries and towels. But shaving kits, slippers and combs have to be collected from the reception. I will enjoy my breakfast at the hotel in the next morning. Breakfast is served buffet style in a large open dining area. Here I can enjoy a variety of bread, fresh toast, pancake and croissant etc. You can choose from different flavors with hot and cold options. Non-veg options and salads are also available on this site. Here you can find potato patties, scrambled eggs, baked beans, omelette etc. Booking a hotel near Amsterdam railway station might be pricier, but it saves your time in the morning and evening, which is valuable for sightseeing. Though it is in a peaceful area with easy city center access, it usually takes 30 to 40 minutes to reach Amsterdam Central Station. It's a 15-minute walk to Schiphol metro station. The train takes another 15 minutes to reach Central Station. This will add a daily sightseeing expenses. Tour usually starts at nearby Central Station. If you have trouble getting up early, then this hotel is not for you. Other options nearby Central Station is Hotel Prince Hendrik. My plate is ready and it smells amazing. That's all the information about this hotel. If you think this video is informative, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thanks for watching this video.